Well, currently they have bought an additional 30% insurance for this British pension scheme, and the current total insurance amount as a percentage stands at close to 60% of the UK pension scheme, and the remaining 40% the company is expecting they'll complete this in the first half of calendar year 2023. Now, this means that post the full buy-in, the scheme and in turn the Tata Steel UK will be fully covered against any funding shortfall that will arise due to any variable or any because of the underlying conditions, which means that if there is any shortfall when it comes to the pension scheme, the insurance will cover for it, and this will in turn save the cash outflows for the European division of Tata Steel. Now, in the Q3, however, there could be some negative impact on the financials, but that would largely be notional and book losses. There won't be any cash loss for the company in the third quarter of FY23. Now, JP Morgan is expecting a large one-time charge of close to 160 million pounds, that is close to 1600 crore rupees, and because of this amount the company could also report a net loss in the third quarter, but do remember this will largely be a book loss and not a cash loss for the company. Now, Investec is also expecting some charges on the EBITDA front also, that would be related to processing and the transaction charges. However, this would be a cash loss for the company, but this would obviously be a one-time impact on the EBITDA. So whoever or whenever one is watching out for the third quarter numbers, one need to keep an eye out for what has been the impact of this insurance on the EBITDA level and on the consolidated level. Also, when it comes to the net profit and the effective tax outgo, one has to watch out for this impact, because on the book front there could be some losses, but again this won't be a cash loss for the company and just a notional loss in the third quarter of FY23.
Fair enough. That's the latest coming in on Tata Steel. The stock, as we speak, is down marginally in today's trading session.